Today we're making a holiday sangria and we're about to show you our secret ingredient.
So our secret ingredient has actually been featured in Forbes and they were on Shark Tank and they managed to score a deal with Mark Cuban, our favorite shark.
Woo! The world's tastiest party punch.
BeatBoxBeverages. Have y'all heard of it? A new take on the old school box wine. They made it a lot more fun.
Yes.
So these are made from orange wine, but they really taste like a cocktail more so than a wine.
So I really like that these are in boxes. They're like little juice boxes, you know? Makes me feel like I'm young again.
They have a very nostalgic vibe to them. And these things do pack a punch. There's 11% alcohol in these babies.
They're strong, okay? But they are delicious. We tried all the flavors. All right, now let's get right into this peach punch sangria.
We loved these fruit cups as kids, and since the BeatBoxBeverages are so nostalgic, we decided to use these as the fruits for our sangria.
First, we're gonna go ahead and throw 6 of these fruit cups right into our pitcher. This measures out to 3 cups of fruit.
Next, we're going to add the go-to of holiday spices. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon.
Now we're gonna be adding 5 ounces of both simple syrup and lemon juice.
Next, we're going to add an entire bottle of champagne.
And last but not least, 2 boxes of this BeatBox Peach Punch. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
So good.
This cocktail is really a thirst quencher. You gotta be careful with this one because it's going down way too easy.
Yeah, that cinnamon is really coming through and I can smell it when I drink it because of that cinnamon garnish. And the peach is really amazing in this sangria.
Peach and cinnamon, they go really well together.
Yeah,
So refreshing.
I love this.
Go ahead and check out BeatBoxBeverages.com. Order you some of this peach punch. Or you can head over to Walmart, Kroger's, 7-Eleven. They also have a store locator so you can find a store near you. We're here to quench your thirst this holiday season. Make this punch at home. You will not be disappointed, my friend.
I love this. We're gonna do some beatbox. Boom, 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 boom.